Are you preparing for an interview? Did you know that every interviewer is sure to ask you your strengths and weaknesses? Do you want to know the tricks to give a perfect answer to get your dream job or get admission to your dream college? Do you also want to know what not to say as a response to this answer? If your answer to these questions is a yes, then this is the video for you, as we will share the tips and tricks to answer what are your strengths and weaknesses and share sample answers during the video too. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Rise and Shine, where you get all answers to transform your life for the better. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button below and press the bell icon to get the recent updates from our channel. In this video, we will broadly cover what is the interviewer expecting as an answer when he asks what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses, and sample answers to the questions what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. Let's start with the first agenda item and know what exactly is the interviewer looking for when he asks you your strengths and weaknesses in the interview. Let me divide this into two parts for simpler understanding. First, let's cover what the interviewer wants to hear when he asks, what are your strengths? It may sound very surprising to you, but it is difficult for many people to talk about their strengths during an interview. This is because it is very challenging to balance between staying humble yet projecting confidence when talking about your own strengths. See, when the interviewer asks this question, you need to list out your strengths which would add value to the role being offered. It is very important to discuss at least the top three traits that would make you suitable for that specific job, while also setting you stand apart from the other candidates. So you can also leverage the job description as your guide to select the strengths you want to share. When answering this question, please try to share your strengths supported by relevant examples. Don't just claim to have certain strengths, but also validate that you have those attributes. You need to build a context and story to support the strength shared. When providing context for your strengths, address the specific qualities that qualify you for the job and distinguish you as a candidate. You should try to give strengths that are unique and not the repetitive usual ones that most candidates say, like saying that I am hardworking, professional, and enthusiastic towards work. These are very, very basic and common and won't make you stand out. So think of something unique and attention grabbing. Here I can share some examples with you. You can say that I'm very collaborative, inclusive, resourceful, a team player, flexible, adaptable, trustworthy, loyal, have an eagle's eye to detail, creative, innovative, quick learner, passionate, detail oriented, committed, and the list can go on and on. You don't have to pick all of these, but just pick the top three which apply to you and are also suitable to the role on offer. All these strengths just imply that you are a dependable resource and will prove to be an asset to the firm if hired. And this is exactly what we want the interviewer to think about you so that you are able to get that job on offer. So now let me share a sample answer with you for the question, what are your strengths? Let me read this out for you. My biggest strength is that I am good at picking up new skills. I have worked in multiple teams in my current job, focusing at different kinds of deliverables. And I was able to start working live within a week in all the teams without having similar previous experience. Another strength I have is that I'm very efficient and committed even under high pressure situations. I can give you an example where we had a major event in our college, but the main performer of the event backed out at just few days before the event due to some personal reasons, and the organizing team was actually thinking of canceling the event. But I took initiative and took it in my hand to arrange another performer and managed to make the event a success. Now let's discuss the other most commonly asked question, what are your weaknesses? Now, this is one of the trickiest questions asked in the interview as you have to answer it correctly while not bringing your flaws to the table. So, the best style of answering it is to tell a weakness, but in a positive way. The main reason behind asking this question is to know if you are self aware of your weakness and if you're focusing to improve this weakness or not. So, from your answer, they will judge if you are honest about yourself and also if you are actually making any efforts to improve your weaknesses. So, share a genuine weakness and don't forget to mention what you are doing to improve it. Okay, and now a few things which you should avoid saying as weaknesses. The first one is saying that you are not good at managing time, that you are not very good at working with other people, or that you are not good at multitasking. All these are a big no when talking about your weaknesses, as these are the critical behaviors that every interviewer is looking as basic requirements in the candidate. Here I can share with you a few examples of weakness from which you can use the most apt one for yourself. These can be I am too sensitive at times, or the freshers might want to say that I don't yet have any leadership experience. Another good one is I'm very detail oriented during projects or tasks, or that I find it difficult to ask other people for help, or I find it hard saying no to people, or just as simple as I lack experience in a specific field. So now let me share a sample answer with you for the question, what are your weaknesses? Let me read this one out. Since this will be my first job, my biggest weakness is that I have not had real life work experience. Instead, have worked on several projects in the college. I am sure that when we work live on projects, there are many situations where things keep changing at short notice. That is one thing that I really need to focus on. Another weakness is that I am too critical and particular about my work at times. Also, I'm an introvert, but I'm working towards overcoming these weaknesses by attending certain courses and podcasts to turn them to my favor in the near future. That was all for today. Hope you got a sense of what exactly the interviewer wants to hear from you when he asks your strengths and weaknesses. Do watch our videos to understand what the interviewer wants, how to prepare the most attractive resume to get picked, and also to see the checklist before going for an interview so that you don't miss any opportunity going forward. We have left the links to these videos in the comment box below if you have not seen them before. So keep learning and keep growing. My best wishes are with you for getting your dream job soon. Keep watching our videos, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel Rise and Shine. You can also leave your questions, comments, or any topics you would like to hear from us in the comment section below, and we will be happy to address them in our upcoming videos. Till then, stay good, stay safe.